Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release and return to center, transitioning into standing postures. Moving into a plank position variation. Clasp your hands to the sides of your chair and step your feet back. Align your shoulders over your wrists, keeping your core engaged with your navel back towards your spine. Feel your legs active, keeping your body in one straight line, from the crown of your head out through your heels. Adding a mountain climber variation, begin to alternate drawing opposite knee to elbow, moving from right to left, maintaining the alignment of your shoulders over your wrists, cinching in all the way around your waist, using your core to stabilize, working through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while activating your obliques. Release, moving into a side crunch variation. Come to stand with your left hip closest to your chair and your left hand to your chair for support. Inhale, reach your right arm overhead. Exhale, elbow to knee, lifting through your right leg. Continue with this movement, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Come to stand with your right hip closest to the chair and your right hand to the chair for support. Inhale, reach your left arm overhead. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, lifting through your left leg, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and come to take a seat. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.